Hi my friends, do you like to learn the names of fruits? Okay, let's learn now. Mango. This is a mango. Mango. This is a mango. Papaya. This is a papaya. Watermelon. This is a watermelon. Pineapple. This is a pineapple. Cherries. These are cherries. Guava. This is a guava. Mulberries. These are mulberries. Have you seen mulberries? These are delicious mulberries. Lychee. This is a lychee. Kiwi. This is a kiwi. Custard apple. This is a custard apple. Strawberries. These are strawberries. Pear. This is a pear. Dragon fruit. This is a dragon fruits. Passion fruits. These are passion fruits. You can see the passion fruit. We can make juice from passion fruits. Avocados. These are avocados. Coconuts. These are coconuts. Pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. Grapes. These are grapes. Grapes are small, sweet fruits that grow in clusters on vines. They can be eaten fresh or used to make juice, jam, and wine. Grapes come in different colors, such as green, red, and purple. Star fruits. These are star fruits. Limes. These are limes. Rambutans. These are rambutans. Bananas. These are bananas. Tamarinds. These are tamarinds. Indian gooseberries. These are Indian gooseberries. Durians. These are durians. Sour sops. These are sour sops. Rose apples. These are rose apples. Lemons. These are lemons. A lemon is a small yellow fruit. Lemons taste sour. We can make lemonade from lemons. Lemons are healthy for us. Jackfruit. This is a jackfruit. Peaches. These are peaches. Oranges. These are oranges. Wood apple. This is a wood apple. Today's English lesson is over. We will see you soon with a new lesson. Bye.